Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create the portfolio CV site using Wix. Wix site provides us the option to create the different kinds of sites using default widgets in a quick span of the time, and it helps developers and non-developers as well to create the sites. Let's see what we are going to create in this video. So this is the site, which has different sections with different default widgets. At the top, we can see the banner, which has the developer name, role, and the image. Next, we can see the About Me section with paragraph and button. When we click the button, we are redirected to the About Me page. In About Me page, we have a back to the home button and two columns layout and footer. Next, we have the skills section with 3 list grids. Then, we can see the Contact Us form. Next, Hobbies section with icons. When we hover over the icons, we can see the tooltip popping out. Here we have the arrow icon. If we click it, it takes us to the top of the page. Next, we have a map and a footer. In the footer, we have social icons. See, this is the Wix editor, which has different options here. This is the desktop site. Wix automatically provides the mobile site when we design the desktop site. Even we can redesign the mobile site also. Click here to see the mobile design. Switch back to the desktop by clicking here. Let's see how to create the site from scratch. First, go to the Wix site and register in the site. Then log in to the Wix site. I will drop the Wix link below this video in the description. Then you see this dashboard. Next, click My Site link. Then click on this button. Wix provides us with different kinds of sites to choose from. I will go with the portfolio CV site. Here I will choose the Create Your Website with the Wix editor. Here we have few default sites, but we are going to create the site from scratch, so click on the blank template. Next, click this. It takes a few seconds to set up the things for us. Here we can see the blank template with Wix editor, which has a header, footer, and a section in the middle. By clicking on this desktop and mobile icons, we can switch to the desktop and mobile layouts. Site link gives us with save, preview, and publish options. These options we can access from here as well. Select the header and using the arrow icon, we stretch the header to increase its height. We can use these options to undo and redo the things. Tools link gives us the toolbar, rulers, grid lines, and snap to objects. Using toolbar, let's set the height of the header to 100 pixels. Snap to objects helps us to align the elements. Next, to add the sections, click the Add icon, then go to the Strips. Strips section give us a different kind of strips. Go to the Classic, then select the image by double-clicking on it to insert it into our layout. Set its height to 400 pixels. Now we can change the image by clicking on this button. Here we can change the image or set the background color. Using this dot, Merge the image with the header section. Next, to set the developer name, go to the text, and select the title text, click on the edit text, and change its color to white. And align it into the center. Here these pink lines help us to align the elements to place it in the center. Next, to add the role of developer again we have to add the text. Before that let me show how to upload the local images here. Go the images. Here Wix gives us a few images, which we can use. Next, click here and upload the local images. Select the Wix icon and add it to the page. Now add the developer text and change its color to white. And group both icon and text by selecting them. Now let's add the developer's image in the About section. Before adding the image, let's add the classic strip and set its height to 500 pixels. Then go to the shapes and add the circle shape. Set its width and height to 210 pixels, and align it in the center of the banner and About sections. And change its color to white. Now set the image width and height to 200 pixels, and embed the image into the center of the circle. Now group the circle and image by selecting them. We can stack the elements one above other. To do so, select the element, right-click on it, then go to the Arrange option. And check the options, how it works. Now add the title and align it in the center. Now add the paragraph below it. Now go to the buttons, and add the button on the page. Change its width and height. Click on the Change Text and change its text. To change the button color, click the design icon, change its color to the green. Set the corners to 10 pixels. Next, change the button hover color to light green. Now let's preview how it looks on the page. Let's add the About Me page. To rename, delete. Click on the three dots, and go to the Rename option. Now we are on About Me page. Let's add the two-column strip layout and set its height to 500 pixels. Select the button and delete it. Now arrange the About Us title and change it to About Me. Next, arrange the paragraph. To duplicate the elements, press Ctrl+D, or on toolbar click this icon. Now add a button in the header section. Change its text to Back to Home. Click on the design icon and select the green button to inherit the color design of the No More button in the About Me section. Change its width, height, and align it in the center. Next, to link this button to the home page, click on the link icon, or on the Change Text button, then click on the Add a Link. Here we can see, the home link is selected. Now set the No More button link to About Me page. Now let's preview and see how it works. It works fine. But we have the issue here. The Back to Home button is fading out on the home page. To disable it on the home page, select the button, go to the toolbar, and toggle this button. Now it works fine. Now let's add the skills section. Go to the strips and add the image strip. Set its height to 500 pixels. To change the background image of the strip, click on the Change Strip Background, and select the image. Now add the title. Go to the Lists and Grids, then select the 4 columns list grid. Click on the Manage Items. By dragging and dropping the items, we can reorder the items. To delete items, click on the 3 dots, and delete the item. Select the arrow icon and delete it. Now click on the layout icon, and increase the space between the items. Now change the titles. Next, let's add the contact form. First, let's add the classic strip and set its height to 500 pixels. Now go to the contact forms. Here we can see the different kinds of the forms. Under contact forms, select this form. Click on the layout icon, and decrease the space between the rows. Now set the height of the form to 500 pixels and place it in the center of the strip. Change the background color of the form to the same color as the strips. To change the input field's color, click on the design icon. Under Regular, change its color to the green. Next, change the colors of the label and placeholder value. Now change the hover and focus colors to light green. Change the error's background and border colors. Let's change the button's background color and hover color. Let's preview and see how it looks. Now let's add the Hobbies section and go to the top icon. Add the image strip and set its height to 400 pixels. Click on the Change Strip Background to change the background image of the strip. Add the title. Now go to the shapes and add the circle shape. Change its color to the white. Now go to the buttons. Under Icon Buttons, select the icon. Change its width, height, and align in the center of the shape. To set the tooltip text, click on the Change Text, and set the tooltip text which pops out on hover of the icon. Group both icon and shape. In the interest of the time, I will duplicate the items and align them in the center with space between them. Now go to the shapes, select the arrow icon, then resize it and change its color to the white. Click on the link icon and check the top bottom of the page, and select the top. Now preview how it looks. Now let's add the map and footer sections. Add the classic strip, open the Tools link, and check the toolbars. Now set the height of the strip to 500 pixels. Go to More, next go to the Google Maps, select the full width map, and align it in the center of the strip. Change the footer height to 60 pixels. Set the background color to the green. Add the created using Wix text, logo, and group them. Go to the social, and select the social icons. Move it to the footer. Now click on the Set Social Links. Here we can delete, or set the link of the icons by selecting it. Now preview and see how the site looks. Now let's see how mobile site looks. Click the Zoom Out and Reorders link. Here we can reorder, delete and hide the sections. To hide the sections, select it, and click on the eye icon. Click on the close icon to go back to the editor. In mobile, by default, we get the hamburger icon. As we don't have any menu section on this site, I will hide it. Next, select the banner image and stretch it to the top. Now align the title and the subtitle in the center of the banner image. Resize the developer image. Delete the extra space by selecting it. Now change the background color of the strip. Align the title and text on the list grids. Hide the arrow icon. And stretch the strip image and delete the extra space. Now preview the mobile page and see how it looks. Let's edit the About Me page. Place the button in the center of the header section and remove the extra space. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go to the Wix site and start creating your own site.